Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today I'm going to show you where you can find and scan the spotlight. So the easiest one that's actually in the beginning of the game, the other one is in the end game section of this particular portion of Subnautica Early Access, is we're going to go to the north and it's going to be located on a shelf inside of the old habitat, in what I could only really describe as a former storage room. So if we head sort of to the north and you kind of list a little bit towards 15 and 30, you'll eventually see on the ocean floor beneath the wreckage of Camp 1 over here, a little platform, and next to this platform is a current that takes you to the north. Go ahead and jump in this current and it's going to take you all the way to the old habitat. It's going to do so relatively quickly. Once you're here, we're going to park out front of the sign that says welcome home, and we're going to dive down and go inside this hole in the bottom of this building. We're going to hang a left. You can refill your oxygen if you need to at this downed oxygen tank, and then we're going to go up this ladder. Once we go up this ladder, we should be in the remnants of this old storage room, and then what you're looking for is literally right here. This is the spotlight sitting on this shelf. Give that a scan. There's also a few other goodies in here that you can scan. There's some small coral jars and just a bunch of other junk. There's some wake makers here. And then you can go upstairs in this hole and finish a chunk of the story, which is available in here. There's also some more blueprints in here. And then there's also one right here as well. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's where you find the spotlight inside of Subnautica 2. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.